Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
ही रहे बच्चों, ये जो थर्ड इंटरनल असेसमेंट टेस्ट है ना, उससे पहले का यह लास्ट क्लास है। मैडम राइट्स द बस में से अगर क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे तो अब तक मैंने जितने क्वेश्चंस आपको करवाए उसी में से रहेंगे, है ना। अभी हैं एक दो क्लास और चलेगा, लेकिन वो थर्ड इंटरनल असेसमेंट टेस्ट के बाद चलेगा, ठीक है। 4 सितंबर को खूब अर्ली आवर में क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाएगा, पोस्ट कर दिया जाएगा। 10 बजे से आपका एग्जाम शुरू होगा। आप जिस समय मुझे रिंग करेंगे तो मान कर चलेंगे कि 4 आवर्स का ड्यूरेशन आप लेकर रखेंगे, कि जिस समय आप रिंग करेंगे उसके बाद हो सकता है 4 आवर्स लग जाए। एक घंटे के बच्चे के साथ 50 मिनट्स टाइम लगता है। यह कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप जिस समय रिंग करेंगे उसी समय आपका टेस्ट शुरू हो जाएगा। हम अपनी सुविधा से 4 घंटे के अंदर में, लेकिन निश्चित रूप से आपका टेस्ट ले, ठीक है। चलिए देखें हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर। व्हाट इज बली टेल द एल्डरली मैन? व्हाट इज बली टेल द एल्डरली मैन when he called her a child? Standing on the seat, Wally was enjoying the outside views. She was enjoying the outside views greatly. Wally stood on her seat and started watching the outside scenes. She was enjoying it greatly, and suddenly, out of his concern for Bali, an elderly man addressed her a child and asked her to sit down. Out of his concern for Wally, an elderly man addressed her child, "Hey बच्ची, बैठ जाओ," and asked her to sit down. She grew irritated. She got irritated, and she told him that there was no one, a child there. She gave him the retort that there was no one, a child there. She added that she had also paid 30 paise as her fare, as the fare like anybody else. Like anyone else, she added that she had also paid 30 paise as the fare like anybody else. So out of his concern, one of the elderly man addressed Bali as child and asked her to sit down. She got angry, she got irritated. Not angry, she got irritated, and she gave the man a retort that there was no one. The retort that there was no one, a child there, and added that she had also paid 30 paise as the fare like anybody else. तो ये हुआ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फिर कि why didn't Wally want to make friends with the elderly woman? Why didn't Wally want to make friends with The an elderly woman came. An elderly woman came and sat beside Wali. The lady had very big ear lobes with very ugly earrings. She had big holes. An elderly lady came and sat beside Wali. Wali found her repulsive. Now let us see why she find her repulsive. So the elderly lady had big holes in her ear lobes and there were ugly earrings in them, and the lady was chewing bitter nut. And what was most repulsive for Wali? What was most repulsive for Wali was that the beetle juice in her mouth was at the verge of spilled out. The beetle juice was threatening to spill over her lips. What happened? Wali was enjoying her bus ride and a radio woman came, entered the bus, got on the bus and sat beside her. Now, Wali found her very repulsive, her presence very repulsive. Why? She saw big holes in her earlobes and she was wearing ugly earrings. And the most repulsive thing with the elderly woman was that she was chewing betel nut and the juice. Betel juice was at the verge of getting out at any moment. Wali was afraid that the elderly woman might spill out the betel juice at any moment, and so she didn't like her presence. She felt very repulsive to her, so she didn't want to be friendly with that elderly woman. Okay, so we have done question number 2. Now question number 3. How did Wali save up money for her first bus? Wali was a meticulous planner. She planned her first bus journey very carefully, and it proved the painstaking. She did it painstakingly, बहुत कष्ट उठाया. She stifled, she throttled, घोट के रख दी most of her temptations, natural temptations. Wali took a lot of pain. Wali showed a great endurance. Powerful endurance to save up money for her first purchase. She took a lot of pain. So she would carefully collect all the ashtray coin. उस जमाने में, जिस जमाने की कहानी है, 1 पैसा और उस जमाने का पैसा अब तो हम लोग भी भूल रहे हैं. जिस जमाने की ये कहानी है, 1-1 पैसा जो उसके पास आ रहा था उसको वो बड़े केयरफुली she would save it. So she saved up all the ashtray coin, all that came her way, and she collected 60 paise. So she resisted all her temptations, natural temptation of a child. She stifled, gala mode, all her natural temptations of buying peppermints, buying balloons, buying toys. She would not buy toys. She would not buy balloons. She would not buy peppermints. And it was the ultimate test of her endurance. It was the ultimate test of endurance when she declined her a ride on the merry-go-round. So to sum up, she took a lot of pain. She showed a great endurance, enduring power, sacrificing attitude. She sacrificed all her temptations. She stifled all her temptations of buying peppermints, balloons, toys, etc. And the day she denied her a ride on the merry-go-round was the ultimate of suffering for her. So thus, after taking a lot of pain, she collected 60 paise. So question number 3 we have done. Now question number 4, what money for her first journey? What did Bali see on her way that made her laugh? Bali was enjoying her journey, but out of all the things, the sight of a cow running just in front of the bus in the middle of the road made her have hearty laughs. Bali enjoyed everything that would come on her, that would come before her eyes. But out of all the things, she loved the scene of a cow running fast in front of the bus in the middle of the road very much. She had hearty laughs. Her eyes were full of tears. And the more the driver would honk, the more the driver would sound the horns, the cow would get more irritated and it would gallop more vigorously. And that was quite a new experience for Wali to have. So the scene of a cow raising up her tail, running in front of the bus in the middle of the road made her have hearty laughs. And the more the driver would honk, the more vigorously the cow would start running. So that scene made her have, she was very happy to see the sheep. She had not seen anything like that before. So, question number 4. Now question number 5. Why didn't she get off the bus at the bus station? Why didn't she get off the bus at the bus station? Wali just wanted to have a ride on the bus. She didn't have any intention of getting off the bus and to do something like some elderly passengers. So when the bus reached the town, everybody got off but Wali. When the bus reached the town, reached the bus station, reached the bus stop, everybody got off but Wali. Now it was quite a new thing for the conductor to see her sitting inside the bus. She inquired of her if she would not get off. So she told him that she didn't have any plan like that. She simply wanted to have a ride on the bus. And being a gentle, kind fellow, the conductor asked her to get off and have a look at the bus stop. But character sketch में यह she is confident, she is a meticulous planner, she is courageous, she is confident, she is self-reliant, she is self-dependent, she is very curious. तो ये भी कि she is a bit fearful girl. She did not venture out to have a look up on the bus stop. So, being a kind fellow, the conductor offered her a cold drink, but she declined the offer. She denied the offer. She denied the offer. So this shows that she was wise, self-dependent, and not at all greedy. She was only 8 years old, and a cold drink must have been a sweet offer to her, but she gently declined the offer, denied the offer. No, she was not at all greedy, she was self-dependent, she was wise, and she was a bit fear. इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और 6 दोनों मैंने आपको करवा दिया। ठीक है, एग्जाम से पहले अब आपको कुछ भी पढ़ाई नहीं होगी। आज कल परसों आप रिवीजन कर लें और 4 सितंबर को एकदम अर्ली आवर में आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, और बात करिए। और ये बच्चों, इसी से तुम एक हेल्प कर दो, एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज तुमको देना है कि वो जो जियो मीट से क्लास लेने की बात है ना, तो तुम में से बहुत कम बच्चों का वो व्हाट्सएप नंबर स्कूल को मिल सका है। और मैं इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं जानता हूँ। मैं स्कूल से मोबाइल ले आया, थोड़ा राजीव जी सर उनके लिए, और एक अपना बहुत स्टूडेंट है, वो सब कुछ हम सोचे कि हेल्प करके वो कर रहे हैं, कर लेंगे। कि तुम लोग अगर अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर, बहुत बच्चे क्या है कि आपके पास व्हाट्सएप नंबर है लेकिन आपके नाम से नहीं है, तो आप अगर उस स्कूल वाले मोबाइल के नंबर पे अगर आप जिस नाम से आप व्हाट्सएप चला रहे हो, तो अपना नाम और वो क्लास अगर वो मैसेज कर दोगे तो सर को सुविधा होगी तुमको ग्रुप में ऐड करने की। मतलब हम नहीं रख पाए अपनी बात। कहने का मतलब ये है कि किसी आप में से बहुत कम बच्चों का ग्रुप में नाम आ पाया है, और क्लास लेने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। अगर 90+ स्टूडेंट्स अगर नहीं जुड़ते हैं, 90% भी अगर स्टूडेंट नहीं जुड़े, तो उस क्लास का कोई मतलब नहीं है। तो इसलिए कोशिश करो कि किसी भी तरह से आपका व्हाट्सएप नंबर अवेलेबल हो जाए स्कूल को। आप में से बहुत बच्चे जानते हो, तो वो उस पर वो जो स्कूल का मोबाइल है, उस तुम लोग अधिक समझ रहे हो, उस पर अपना मैसेज कर देना। वो फिर देखते हैं एग्जाम के बाद। देखो, और मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी वही है 9572 वाला, 9572205186। मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी वही है जिस नंबर से हम आप महीनों से एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। आप अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर, बहुत सारे लोग हैं अपने नाम से उनका व्हाट्सएप नहीं है, माँ, पिताजी, भैया, दीदी, किसी के नाम से है, तो आप थोड़ा सा अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर के साथ हमको अपना नाम और क्लास भी उसमें मेंशन कर दोगे तो सुविधा रहेगी। और थोड़ी एक और सहायता कर देना, तुम्हारे अगल बगल में अगर 9th के स्टूडेंट हो उनको भी हो। ठीक है, सुखी हो।